Thank you and welcome, guys. Okay, myself, Amar. I'm going to deal with that demo for the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes of the Dynamics 365 FNO. Okay,
Sir,
yeah,
this is Raghavan. How
yes,
to record
Raghavendra. Too.
audio?
I already started the recording. I will share that recorded one. Okay,
Right, right.
okay, yeah. This is about the Tiber trainer and me. So I have 13 years of industry experience, IT experience is there. Okay. I provide the five corporate trainings to MNC companies. And past 6 years onwards, conducting sessions online and offline. Like suppose if it is a candidate, means the students are heavy, no more than 10 members. I will come to that place and I will provide the training in the classroom. Suppose if it is not there, then online sessions. Till I'm working somewhere else. Okay. As a passion, I'm delivering that sessions. This is about the your trainer. Okay, let's move into the next slide. This is the agenda for that today demo. Okay, we are going to discuss about that these things. What is Dynamics 365 and what are the prerequisites? What is the hardware configuration to configure and practice this law? Some people are going to join. Okay. And what is that H++ coding and how is the career opportunities after learning this course after 3 months or 6 months and how your career is the turn of the Dynamics 365 how it would be. Okay, we are going to discuss about the these things. First we'll discuss about the what is Dynamics 365 finance and operations. Guys, before that one, if you have time, can you please fill this form because I'm you will get that. Okay, what are the prerequisites for this course? Okay, please this fill this form. What are the link I have provided in the chart? You can will get that some useful links and materials after filling this one. Okay, fine. Yeah. What is Dynamics 365 FNO? Dynamics 365 FNO is a ERP. Any idea about that ERP, guys?
ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning.
Yeah, that is abbreviation Enterprise Resource Planning. But any idea about that one? Okay, let me clarify this one.
Okay.
Yeah, in the market, we have a number of softwares out there. Okay, why we are not calling this is a software? Let's say example .NET, Java, PHP, some scripting languages also is there. So what is the use of these things? We can develop any type of web applications, right? Am I correct or not? We can develop
Yes.
web applications or Windows applications, and we can talk with that other parties, other softwares also we can. So every project is a from scratch onwards we are going to develop. Let's say example, I am going to develop that insurance project. Okay, insurance to that some ABC company. Again, I need to start from the scratch level. Suppose it's a banking domain. Again, insurance for that some XYZ company. All are from different. Okay, from scratch onwards, I need to use it. But what are the common things here is there? Insurance, domain, banking, or medical. Okay, the common things is that to start or any business, first we need the customers, right? Any business you can take that insurance, banking, medical, or medical in the sense not about the patients with the, who are providing that medicines for those things. Okay, suppose you can normal our general scenario we can talk about, let's say one bookstall is there. Okay, bookstore also, to start our business, we need the customers and vendors also. We need to vendors also is required. Okay, once we got the books, means it's a goods, we need to store those books into the shop. Correct. Once that shop is filled, so we can place those into that inventory. Correct. Suppose if anyone is working the shop, we need to give to the wages. So finance, right? And to recruiting the people for HR also is required. Warehouse management also is required, where we are going to store these things. WMS. Hmm? Okay. These are the minimum things is required to start any business. So if we go with that any development product, again we need to start from that all from the scratch level. But coming to the ERP, it's a pre-developed product. Already few set of modules are Microsoft is provided. So if you want to start a business, the client is start business, so they don't want to go for that some basic functionalities to recruiting the employees or customers or vendors, their pay slips, HR, inventory, warehouse management, general ledger related things. They don't want to develop because already it's developed. Okay, it's already developed. So if it is system is existing, then what we need to do? Your understanding. So Microsoft is already developed, but why they are recruiting? Why they are paying the salaries? Am I correct or not? Guys, are you
Yes, sir.
getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So let's come to this point. Let's say example, I can taking the one factory. I'm talking about a completely ERP only. Okay, on factory or books. Okay, in factory having that different departments are there. Admin department is there, HR department is there, workers and contractors and permanent employees, some vendors. Okay, their customers and these different modules are there. Okay, front office employees are there. So to maintain all these things using the ERP from first day onwards is ready. Okay. And the customer want to change their organization structure, or else they're getting the orders from that, they want to change their orders or invoice reports, their format. What is the default format is provided Microsoft, they don't want to use that one, they want to add some extra features. Let's say example, in the invoice means they are purchased the some goods, and the invoices look like address of the who provided, and their logo, their mobile number, and all those things, and item number, item name, quantity, and price. Like this, the invoice is there. But customer want to change that. The okay, now I don't want to display the item number. Okay, directly item name only. In this item name, some bold is there, and who provided this one. So something vendor who provided this field needs to be extra added. So these type of customizations, see, the here we are doing the customization, already the report is existing, but we are inserting the new field. So we are customizing this one. So these type of things, they are recruiting the technical people and functional people. We are going to customize the base Dynamics 365 F&O product. So in ERP, what we are doing? Customizing. Correct. But in the normal softwares, we are going to do the implementation. But here we are doing the customizations. Am I clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. customizations is nothing but already product is available, then we are going to do the customization. I can give that one general example. Let's say if you are going to the shopping, we have two choices are there. Directly we can purchase the ready made or as cloth materials. Materials is comes under that development of taste. So we can choose the cloth materials and go to the tailor and provide our measurements. It will take that 1 week to 2 weeks maximum time they provide. But ready made, from next 1 hour onwards, we're ready to wear those things. We can just go to the tailor and alteration, then ready to use this one. The same thing is happening in the ERP also. Okay, first day onwards, the customer is going to use this one. Just I will switch into that our product. I will show to you. Okay, this is our product Dynamics 365. It is a web hosted one. Okay, in the vertical bar, we have seen that all the modules, accounts payable, account receivable. See, in the accounts payable module, vendor related information, all these things are there. So this module will talk about that, what is about the purchase orders and the inventory journals, all those things. Account receivables is talk about the all customers. Okay, this is we can call it as a front end. Okay, the functional people here are using this front end. Okay, these all modules is already developed by Microsoft. Suppose any one of you are going to do the customization here, we are in the customization project. But you can ask me, is there any implementation projects? Yeah, we do have the implementation projects also. Implementation project is nothing but the what are the things is not there in the Dynamics 365. So we are going to do the implementation. Means the client is asking for that new requirement. That requirement is not available in our Dynamics 365 product. Then we are going to implementing for that particular customer purpose. Okay. Then coming back to the this one. So we customization. Now you got that customization. And what is the code we are using here? We are using the H++ coding. Okay, H++ coding. It's a very simple language. Don't think about that like Java or .NET. Compared to that one, this is very simple. And don't ask me for that what is the percentage of the coding, because that question is always wrong. Because no one can tell about that percentage of coding. Let's come to the talk about that more thing. First, there is a one customer is there, and this customer having the multiple businesses are there. Okay, he have that factory is running factory, and jewelry and a grocery store and a clothes shop also is there, and is like a Jane client. So he is operating this business. He approached to that Microsoft and they suggested that Dynamics 365 F&O will give the one-stop solution for that all the customer businesses. Okay, then D365 F&O he approached, and the immediately functional people will come to the picture. Okay, functional people. We have a two consultants are there. One is the function consultant and second one is the technical consultant. Function consultants will understand the business of the client, and they can understand the standard product also, because they have a good understand the standard product in the sense D365 F&O, this one. Okay, they know end to end process of F&O. So they can understand. They will go to that client place and put some setup meetings with the customer and understand that how they are operating this business. Okay, how they are operating that business and what is the gap is there compared to our Dynamics 365 current scenario. Then they can prepare a documents called functional design documents. Okay, FDDs, functional design documents. They can prepare it. In these documents, what it is they mention. So current system, what it is doing, and Dynamics 365, what it is having. Okay, how to integrate their current system with the Dynamics 365 F&O, what their missing points. So those missing points they can put into that FDD. Okay, then they will showcase to the client. Once the client is agree with this one, then come to the picture. Our technical people will come to the picture. Guys, understand? The first the project will start from the function consultant. Once that FDDs are ready, then technical people will come to the picture. The technical people got the FDD. From this FDD to we are going to customize the existing product through using the H++ code, and what is the gap it having, those gap we are going to fill. Any clarifications till now? Or you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Here,
So yeah,
I have our job is technical, functional related.
sorry.
After the functional team, it comes under technical team, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah. Correct.
our job is to work on
Technical.
the
Yeah, yeah. Our job is the technical because you are attending the technical demo.
technical
Okay.
team. That's what.
Yeah,
Okay, thank
yeah. Nice. Once that these technical people will do the customization through H++ coding, then they can showcase to the customer. Okay, now that your requirement is ready, then we are going to deploy this into that QA system. That is a different story about the deployments. Okay, this is what exactly we are doing. Okay, I will show to you a small requirement. Okay, let's
No, no,
example. I'm
sorry for disturb you. I have
yeah, no
small doubt.
problem. Yes, yes, yeah, please.
Uh, I heard Microsoft every time they releasing the different patches. Then for this software, how it's every time they releasing the patches means it's same application will be there or any modifications are coming up.
Yeah, very good question. But these are not the patches. We can call it as a quality updates.
Okay.
Okay, quality update or next version. Okay, but application will not change. They're just adding to that some piece of code, and what are the things is required for that globally all customers is required. They can include it into that their product. Let's say example. Suppose Microsoft has got that 100 tickets from the customer because their product everyone is asking for that. I want to send a invoice through email. Okay, after purchase anything, then invoice is generated. This invoice needs to be transferred to the email, customer email. Just I'm giving the example. So this customization not available or this feature is not available. So the same common question everyone is asking to the Microsoft will understand. Okay, this business requirement is common for that all the customer. So Microsoft will inform to that their customers. Okay, no need to go for the development, and the next release we are going to include it into the our own means is a base product. You understand?
If in
Sometimes
case
what.
we develop that one, then in case Microsoft also release same thing, then any conflict it will be there.
Yeah, definitely the conflict is there. After upgradation, we need to check with that is that functionality is working fine or not. If it is working fine, based on that your solution architect decision, we can keep it as, or else we can go with the standard. But as per the Microsoft stand best practices, we can go with that standard only, because after 5 years, Microsoft added some more updates on that standard. So those updates is not available in the our customization. So better to go with that standard only. Am I clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, current which versions are working on it? Because I'm not sure that one which version. Because my one of my friend told there is some different versions is there.
Different.
Currently, which version is there?
Yeah, currently it's a 10.30.32. You can check in the Google what is the latest version. See, 33. Okay, 33 is come to April. This is the latest version.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So you can go to this one. If you click on this one, what's new and changed? If you go here, changed, always it's most probably all are the functional related one only. Okay, technically there is a very small amount of change only. Okay, and what are the removed or deprecated features also you can go through this one. This is April, July. See, 35 and the 34 June they are going to release. This is the June, right? So when it is going to be, it's okay. Like this, we can get the updates from this one. Yeah. What are the prerequisites? The prerequisites we need to know about that only the coding part. That is the OOPS concepts. OOPS concepts. I hope everyone knows about this one. Assuming what is a class, abstraction, inheritance, polymer prism. That is that OOPS concepts. And if we don't know, no worries. We'll cover those OOPS concepts also. And what is the hardware configuration? So to install this product into that your mission or laptop, you need to that processor is core i5 or later. Okay, 250 or 500 GB SSD hard disk. Okay, and 8 or 16 GB RAM is required. Okay. This is the hardware configuration required for that to install this product. Okay, and H++ coding, it's look like a SQL coding. Okay, it's a completely OOPS related one. And career opportunities, we can talk about that. There are a huge career opportunities is there in the market. Okay, very less number of people are the technical consultants are there. If you want, you can check it. Some of your friends also are also working, right? You can ask them how that career opportunities are there. Okay, and from 3 years onwards the openings are there. Sometimes freshers, trained freshers also they are recruiting. Okay, I'm going to the next slide. This is history. Okay, I will provide this link. You can go through the history of Dynamics 365, where it is born and how it is coming to the names is the Dynamics 365 8 2012 8 2009. What are the versions? We can go through that Wikipedia, the same thing you can go through here. And prerequisite, who can learn, who have that knowledge about that Java, .NET, PHP, or any previous coding experience, they can easily understand that our H++ coding. And the hardware configuration I already told, right? Uh, yeah, in that tight H++ coding, fundamentals of H++ coding language, coding examples. Anyway, it is covered under that our course curriculum. Career opportunities, fine. In the career opportunity, you can just go through the job portals and check that how the openings are available. Then you can come to that no. See, this is about that course timings. Timings is not fixed. Okay, I will inform the timings once that the batch is ready. Who are the confirmed, and 45 hours of training daily, 1 hour. Will provide the recording videos, lifetime access, soft copy of material, task list. This task list is a teach about that the real time scenarios. Okay, and the resume preparation, mock interviews also. Session timings I will update in that today EOD or tomorrow, because who are interesting to join, then based on that I can but the tentative date is that 9 to 10. Okay, is it a Okay, 9 to 10. Hello.
Hello.